What's going on, explorers? Today we're at this old abandoned high school. If you're new to our channel, welcome. I'm Nickelmac.
I'm Stephanie.
And I'm Cameraman Ray.
This school opened in 1936 and closed in 1997 because they decided to build a bigger high school. So we're going to show you around. We're going to try to get to the auditorium, but right now we're just going to show you classrooms and hallways for now.
Take a little zoom out here of the outside.
It's not in the worst condition, this school, I'm not going to lie.
And there's so much stuff left behind.
Yeah, that is definitely true. If you look above me, above the green board, it says Club Divas. So I actually like that. That's interesting.
Yeah, that is.
You know what I find really weird though? Why would that window being blocked out so you can't see out, but that one you can see?
Maybe that one was a patch job?
With some rooms you're gonna notice it's basically clean like this, and others it's just trash or either natural decay. So
Yeah. So,
the school's been added on to, definitely. We'll show you an old wing and what's new and stuff.
oh yes. I guess the students drew all over these walls. It doesn't really look like graffiti.
Yeah, stands and everything. The old speakers, clocks, wow.
Done.
Look at these old school lockers though. That's pretty neat.
One of them is actually blue.
Yeah, where do you see that?
Oh, here.
South. Yeah.
Yeah, every few random
Couple of
ones.
them are blue.
Yeah.
No,
And
I
one is-
remember.
One is taken out.
Oh, I remember my high school. The hallways were a lot wider than this.
Yeah, mine too.
Look, old tile. Oh, they had a bigger locker, so they got taken out.
Oh. Almost looks like a doorway.
We find this room very odd right here. Look at it. It's painted all black. The windows, everything.
I thought there was a fire at first, but
No, I
no.
kind of figured it wasn't. You would have smelled the remnants of a fire.
True.
But that's so odd to have a classroom like this. Even the windows. I'm surprised they allowed them to do that.
With the glass out.
We did put in the cafeteria, so.
Yes, we did.
Over here, you got an air hockey table still up.
Oh, that's cool.
I'm sure it still works, but it's in crappy condition. It's all leaning and everything, unless it's just the floor. But look at that. Look at the old generation TV.
Holy crap, that thing is huge.
We didn't see that. We didn't really scope this room though.
Did somebody pull up these game tables up here? Because this looks like it was a classroom. I don't think these should be up here.
Oh, there's your food.
I'm sure it was here at one point in time.
I guess.
That's
Maybe
probably your
somebody
food ball table.
just did that, yeah. Right, look at that cold dark hallway.
Oh, ooh.
What I wanted to mention here is, look now, look how big this school is. Look how long the hallway is. All the way down to the light, the school still extends past that.
Ooh, very long zoom in shot here.
Yeah,
A water fountain.
true.
Yeah, that just goes on and on.
Old men's room.
Oh, really? Let me see.
It's a lot of wasted space in here, though. You look at it, why is this restroom so big, like, right? To me, this is a waste of space. They could
Oh.
have configured this way better.
What's the point of having 4 sinks if there's only
2 urinals.
2 urinals and, oh.
So we did have the lights on.
Well, this all have power. This school still does have power, too.
She's very correct about that, yeah. After 21 years of being closed and neglected, we still have power in the school.
I know, a lot of lights still work. I'm surprised they didn't blow out by now.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, this nice one in this room.
Yeah, the heat's on.
Pool table.
Oh my gosh. This is our first Explorer. I am just shocked by this. The heat is on.
It is so hot in here right now.
Oh my gosh.
It is hot in here.
I can't believe the heat is still on. Would have never expected.
No, not at all.
So they're paying to have electricity and heat, but not all the school has heating. Or, well, I mean, maybe some areas do.
True.
It's just crazy. What have you got? Game boards and stuff like that? What do you got? Tickets? Yeah, you got guitars, Monopoly.
Yeah, they got all that stuff in here.
I could live in this room. It's nice.
My gosh.
Sit back here, stay. Look at all that.
Dance Revolution pad.
Yeah. Well, I know it's not the season yet, but soon to be Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Oh, yes. I think
That'll be
there's
cool, though.
Snowflakes on the door.
Yeah.
They have all the
This is
holidays
the
up
most
in here.
interesting school we've been to. Well, we've only been to one, and that thing was
I think
completely
they got one of those
Yes.
dance mats too, where
Oh,
you
School of
step
Steph
on
just
it
pointed
and
out.
then you.
Yep.
That's pretty neat. Imagine, you know what's sad about this school, though? Imagine all the people would kill to have some of the stuff before it got trashed. And
I
they just
know.
left it.
This is full of
And there's
everything.
rubber bands all over the
Yeah.
floor.
Couches, pool table.
Someone's art still on? Oh, don't show that, Ray, actually.
Oh.
That's where we're at. Well, we need to figure out what that, that staircase thing.
Mysterious case.
Some kind of this. Maybe this was like a
Oh,
in-school
this carpet? Yuck.
in-school detention or something. Oh, look at the Halloween lights. Oh
Oh,
my gosh. Waste sitting in here. This is our first Explorer. We found the most interesting stuff left behind.
they
Why?
up and left everything.
Hawaiian there, they got Hawaiian lace on the floor.
Oh, where do you see that?
Over here.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Decorations it looks like for Hawaiians.
Cray cray.
With some CDs and stuff.
You think that's a St. Patrick's Day banner?
Come on, everyone. Let's get a push and we're gonna start cleaning the school. Yeah,
It'll
right.
only take a few minutes.
Yeah. It took days, no, over months to clean this whole thing out.
And wrapping paper.
Oh, I believe it.
It's just so
Christmas
much
wrapping
stuff.
paper.
What's in? Oh. I guess I was in front of the door. Never mind.
So this might be the auditorium. This, I'm not sure.
Oh, maybe. Oh, we can check.
Check that out before we get the rest of this.
Not gonna lie, I saw your light reflected down there and it freaked me out for a second.
Yeah, because it's glass up top. No, look. You know what we can't send? This whole back end of the school is boarded up. Oh, they still have their lessons on the chalkboard.
Oh,
I would have never expected that. Well, I mean, I should have.
they just closed up one day and just left.
Wow. I think I remember that.
Oh,
This is so cool. Look a little bit the name of the room was. Welcome to the Beehive.
oh, the beehive. Oh, that's kind of cool.
Drill. No, from what we're guessing, if you notice a big change in lockers and everything, and windows, we're guessing this was the old part of the school was built first. Because you could tell a huge difference.
Yes, I think
It's
so.
old. Like, look at all that. I don't even, yeah, this was tiled back, but it's just really stuffed up.
Yeah, everything's way different down this section.
like I was saying, now, look at this hallway, it's continuing, and it wraps around to the left, so we have a lot to explore here.
Or their
Yes.
fire extinguisher or something.
Yeah,
used to be
actually,
in there.
good point, that used to be the hose and everything, yeah?
Yep. Girls' room,
One of these are gonna be, I think,
probably.
we don't wanna get too close to the front of the school.
No, we're gonna stay away from
This
those.
is the very front and existing entrance, main entrance and everything, the buses. You just have to watch out so dark in here, the trip.
Computers on the floor.
Yeah,
Yeah, monitors everywhere.
trip, anything. You never know.
That's true. Wait,
Oh, they have I was gonna say, I don't know why. They have them bolted shut.
wait, why did you,
Like,
that's
somebody
stupid.
tried to get in there.
The only thing Look at this.
Oh, a little tiny bike.
Somebody has a bike here.
Yeah, this is crazy.
It is.
You never know. That's the thing. You never know what you find in an abandoned school.
No.
Water fountain.
Point out this little classroom is carpeting. It looks pretty cool spacious.
Huh, class with carpet. I will stay over here.
Yeah, look at that. That's crazy. The assignments are still on the board. Look at that.
Somebody was hungry for potato chips.
Now you can tell how long the school was abandoned. Look at the fluorescents are just barely staying afloat.
Oh yeah, they're
Those are the only
struggling.
two on this whole hallway that are lit. Well, not even lit, just dim.
Yeah, those lights are lit.
So some parts of the school that are locked up, we're not getting in. We already checked.
Yeah, unfortunately.
They got peanuts all over the floor. Peanuts.
Yep, stuff in
Not gonna
there.
lie. This might be actually be my favorite explorer since we started exploring.
Ooh,
No?
it's so much stuff, that's what it is.
Yeah. I think there's warm in here. That's,
The lady writer.
yeah, no, I hate these things. I hate radiators. They're just stupid looking. I know it's a way to heat your place, but I hate them.
True.
Trash can.
Oh, we do have to point this out. We found one room that's all set up nice and it had, what did you call it? Candles and
It
everything.
was like a ritual was
Yeah,
performed.
ritual room. We're gonna show you guys that.
It was creepy as heck.
There's Mickey dolls, they tore the heads right off.
Yep,
Sofas in there and everything.
candles, there's ashes all over the floor. Oop, coming.
The earth gun.
You never know when you're gonna need your protection.
Oh,
We're able to go from that.
oh, okay.
Oh, God. The air conditioner really full.
What's crazy though? Like, when they closed the school, they left everyone's personal pictures here and everything. Look at that.
They took nothing.
Yeah, I'm just surprised. I'm sure none of these students, or maybe they don't care, I don't know which, don't even know this is here.
But,
And it's
yeah.
in mint condition. What we
And-
got above you, Ray?
Oh.
And
Nope.
this,
Right here.
Oh, oh, look at that, there it is. They usually stay intact.
That's true.
whoever exit signs.
Art show.
How is there another floor above this if there's skylights?
I think it's just on that side of the building.
Oh, okay.
It must be the older part, must have went up to a fourth floor.
We got some pretty cool classrooms. These ones are, at least, these are in mint condition. They're not really touched or anything. Look at that. Look at the old choice of tile back in the day, the red and pink.
I think it might have been like a whitish color at the
Yeah,
time.
oh, okay, yeah, I believe it. Well, it's been abandoned for over 21 years.
Yes, it has. Which is still very surprising, actually, since...
Somebody was water
Uh,
fountain hungry. They took it. They didn't even get the copyright. I found it very well, unless they took that to the new school.
I highly doubt it.
Yeah, that's true.
When somebody was heartbroken.
Aw.
So here we got a leak through the skylight.
Oop. Oh, that's right.
Somebody was heartbroken, I guess.
Aw. Bathrooms. Closets.
What I'm guessing is possibly this was a science room.
Yeah, I think that's what it was.
Almost looks like a picture of a cat
Oh, really?
on the floor.
Yeah.
The whiskers, the eyes, the ears.
There's a microscope.
I want to point something out that's really cool. Look at this. Most of the classrooms still have the clocks intact. Stop right before 11 o'clock.
Look at that.
This, give them a pan of the school. That's at, we were just at 1 floor. We haven't gone up or down yet. And the cafeteria is a few floors below us.
This place is really big.
You ain't never lie.
It's got a steeple over there.
Yeah, tower at the top. That's pretty cool. And it's a weather vane.
This place is huge.
So this is the last floor, I think, on this section.
Yeah, I think it's the other part, towards the middle of the school. Must lead up to the tower.
If you guys actually didn't know, this is actually a skylight. It's not
Yes.
a light, it's a skylight. That's pretty neat.
So that'd be really weird if there was a floor above this one.
Yeah. Look at these classrooms up there. See, this wing's not in bad shape. It's the other one. I
Yeah.
haven't been up on the roof. See?
Ooh, let's see here.
When I make these things over here, I like to make them look like they're on fire. They didn't make it that.
Oh, I remember those S's. Everybody used to do that. So that went on. See?
The letter S.
All right.
Right.
We're gonna cut it down till we get to the next section.
Sure.
No point to re-show, just show the end of the hall. All right, we're gonna catch you to another part of the school, so in a few.
See you in a little bit.
Yep.
See you in a little bit.
Peace.
Not gonna lie, that balloon totally freaks me out for some reason. And here we are in that classroom we were describing earlier.
What's going on? Here is where the ritual took place.
I'm going to show that in a second.
No, this room is the creepiest room out of this whole school.
This freaked me out when we came in. They have lights strung up,
Yeah.
lamps on,
Pictures in the corner.
and then
Yeah.
I'm going to show the juicy part
Something's freaky.
now.
A red solo
This is
couple
crazy.
here.
They
got
were
some candles.
Definitely doing something here.
Poor
Yeah.
Mickey.
And there's Mickey.
Doesn't look like it works anymore.
Could try to light a candle, but the
Oh, was
lighter
it?
doesn't
Oh,
work.
wait. Oh, it works.
There's Mickey's head. Oh. I guess it does still work. Here's another headless Mickey, but I don't know where his head is.
Wow, this is cray cray.
Poor Mickey.
Oh, no, that's cool. Look at some of these Christmas lights right here.
Yeah, they probably strung him up there. But this is freaky. There's ashes here.
Yeah. No, what we found crazy, when we first walked up the stairs and we saw, like, we thought somebody was in here at first.
At first I thought somebody was like sleeping on a couch or something.
Boy.
They could have heard us and darted.
They could have. I doubt it though.
Yeah.
Some snow globes.
Like an old basketball.
Somebody was wearing their devil horns.
Halloween.
Oh, no basketball. Stay there.
wonder what pictures these were. These look like they were in somebody's apartment. My love, yeah. Look at that. That's fake. That's great. That's not part of the school.
No, I'm thinking somebody was trying to maybe contact their loved one.
Oh, yeah.
Somebody left their devil ears here.
Yeah. This is crazy. Oh,
A
this is our
flat
first
screen
flat
TV.
screen we've seen in the whole school. We haven't seen this our first.
I'm wondering
if
if
they brought it.
Yeah, I was gonna
There's
say somebody brought these in.
Some speakers.
two. Yeah.
I think they had it all set up for
Oh,
something.
take a look at this clock. It still works. I heard the clicking. I'm like, what? That works.
Okay, somebody must have been here for a while. There's a blanket and everything.
Yeah. But that's not the legit time though.
No, it isn't.
That's way off. It's a couple hours past.
That's just weird, though.
Yeah, it is. All right.
That freaked me out. And this is the place that has the most power at the moment.
True. This is actually a cafeteria.
Yeah.
They just, what we think is, because so much junk down there, they were planning to take this to the new high school, but they just were like, eh.
It is so much stuff.
Yeah.
I'll start from over here. They have all the furniture piled up. They had a ton of TVs. All busted now, of course. They have a weird baby crib. There are baby dolls around it. So much stuff. Then off to this part over here. Oop, I can't go that way.
So we're not explorers, and this is where they did the day-to-day operations for cooking for the children. Right in this classroom, Patty's kitchen, to be a matter of
Oh,
fact.
Patty! Wonder how good she was.
True. I wonder if she even went to the next school. Once
Possibility.
we get to the other side, we're gonna show the posters.
All right.
Once we go on this side, yeah. Look at that stuff. We found something pretty cool on the wall. Look at the old posters that are still up from back in the day.
All those old, like, drink milk.
Even Miley's in it. And imagine how old that was, because that's before she became a sex symbol.
Poor thing.
You got your drawings or something?
Yeah, that's what it is. You got the napkins just thrown on.
Yep, people have fun with those, apparently.
Yep. Ovens. Fans for the
Nah. This is where they kept all the refrigeration for the
Yeah.
food. That's pretty cool.
Sinks.
Gas.
fire extinguishers.
Yeah, so there's more refrigeration.
Wow.
Oops.
Oop. Knock everything down.
Right? Everything's falling anyway.
A plate.
Clock.
You think that,
And then you get a
Yeah.
cook the meal.
Oh, cook a little bit of more.
that room or not?
No, I got enough of that one, I think.
And then featured with Stephanie just and everyone.
Right, he's gonna cook us a meal.
Oh, so that little storage area. Oh, this is cool. Look what I just found.
Then we have stuff to eat it on.
Lunch trays.
Oh,
I would have never expected
look
that.
pretty clean, too.
Yeah,
That's
actually,
weird.
I know. I remember seeing these same exact things in school. It's
Well then.
crazy. I can't believe they're the only thing left in here besides a couple of desks and stuff.
That was actually really strange.
Yeah, it was.
There's another door here, too. It says employees,
Okay.
ladies only. Up to your bathroom.
Oh, yeah, probably. Look at all the gas lines and stuff down there. That's pretty cool. Under the stairs, right? All right, we're gonna see if we can get you to that auditorium, because it's here at the school. I mean, the school. Yeah, we're in the school. We're not gonna get to the pool, it's all locked up tight.
Yeah, the pool is unfortunately
All right,
not
catch you in a
accessible.
few.
See you in a minute.
High school, we found the gymnasium. Look at the condition of this is the best condition out of everything in this whole school.
It looks
I'm going to show
great.
you quite a few hallways and row this and that. This end has the most power out of anything.
This is so untouched.
We found some cameras in the gym, so that's why we got out quick.
Yeah, that-
All active there.
There's a lot of power over here, so I don't trust anything.
A lot of trophies and stuff that were in there.
Yes.
Smells like cotton candy down
Yeah,
there.
it does.
Yeah, that's weird.
This hallway's pretty cool because it's dark and the exit signs are just lit up. That's it.
Yeah.
How wide this hallway is.
Yeah, this is way wider than the other ones.
Yeah. With that little kitty cart in the middle. That's pretty cool.
Used to have one of those when I
Yeah.
was a kid. Cozy Coop, that was called.
Oh, that's right. Those-
Pretty sure I was too big to fit any of those when I was a kid.
Probably be cheaper to drive me one of those right now in gas.
What is this? Is this the auditorium?
Is it?
We just found the auditorium. We weren't even looking for it.
No, I didn't even know.
This is hot. Wow, look at the old style seats and everything. Back when I was going to school, it was a little better than this.
Made it into the-
Auditorium. This is crazy. And I'm not gonna lie, it does feel like heat time.
Yeah, it's a bit warm in here.
The props to their shows.
Cool.
You know what's nice? This auditorium's not trashed at all.
No, I don't think many people found it.
It's in mint condition, like the gym. We're about to have a performance. Oh, Ray, real quick, look at that old school clock over there. That's pretty.
Oh, up there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
A fire extinguisher on the stage.
Remember where we were just at?
Hmm?
See how there's a little light through the wall? Maybe you can't right now because of the curtain.
Oh, yeah.
That leads us back to the auditorium, gymnasium where the yellow paint is.
Oh, is that what that? Oh, we went all the way around.
This is so hot.
It is. Oh, look.
Look at the phone booth still. Oh yeah. That's pretty neat.
That's so cool.
An old phone booth.
For R&K,
Not-
there's your phone.
Not gonna lie, I love everything about this school. It's such a cool explorer so far.
It is. I can't believe how much stuff is left.
Yeah, and this is in really, really good condition. This auditorium. Look, an egg beater.
An egg beater, really.
Yeah.
A whisk.
Whisk.
Somebody brought that all the way from the kitchen.
Probably. Don't break my heart.
That's a big heart.
You wanna know what I think is so cool? Look at the detail on the structure that holds.
Oh, that is cool.
That's pretty neat.
What was that? I can see kind of detail.
Yeah. Sometimes you'll be surprised what you find.
How do you get off that couch?
Yeah,
Go explore.
I agree.
It's an old cash register.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's crazy.
I think.
This is the main entrance. I love the way this hallway is lit up with just the exit lights. That is so cool. Honors and awards. None to be given. Look at this.
Is this another entrance to the...
R&K?
Not quite.
Oh, it looks like R&K.
Oh, that's where they have Christmas decorations and stuff. So,
Oh, it might have been a storage. Maybe. Oh, is this behind the stage?
oh, that's right. Okay, I get it. They got Christmas props and all that.
I'm gonna take a quick peek in there.
That's pretty neat. Do like that. It's a shame though, people just destroy stuff.
Yes.
It's not your thing.
Yep.
What if they actually lock up the back? Nope. Oh,
It has power.
I was not expecting.
Oh, yeah, the lights
Done.
are on.
This is a big ladies' room.
Oh, wow.
I was not expecting this to have the lights on.
No.
No toilet paper and it's gross.
Ew.
What's going
There's no toilet paper. The water's still on.
on? Viewers, our first Explorer, crap you not, the water is on.
Ooh, look at that lovely color. Oh, stir it up.
I can't believe there's water in here.
And that toilet is disgusting.
Oh yeah, I believe it. You can tell a guy used it. I can't believe we just found a place, our first abandoned place. We've had power before, but not in a long time in our Explorers. Running water.
I've never
Was
seen that.
not expecting it. You never see running water in an abandoned building,
No.
especially if this has been abandoned for over 21 years.
Yes, it has been.
Oh my gosh.
I cannot believe that.
You know what I kind of wonder? If I kind of wonder if the water still gets hot one. So does this work? No, they have a shut off. That wire was nasty. It came over.
It was.
Looks like they were going to do some work on this, and it was just ripping out the wiring.
Oh, probably.
We're not getting through here. None of these. Fortunately, this is where our tour stops, just right here. Yeah, we're not chaining. I'm breaking the chains just to do that.
No.
Wow, this is probably the coolest hallway we've toured so far.
Yeah, it is.
I think that's about it.
I think so too.
This has been so cool.
I wish we could see more of it.
Yeah.
I wish it wasn't smack dab in the middle of the neighborhood.
Yeah, exactly. That's true. Look at this. It's crazy how some hallways you can get into and some are just...
Yep.
This is so cool. Oh, look at the old pictures here.
Oh, I didn't see those the
That's
first
pretty
time. Wow, is that what the school used to look like?
No. Oh, that's the new school.
Oh, that's what that is.
Senior housing apartments.
Wow, it looks even bigger than before.
Yeah. Shall we enter this hallway and then
Yeah.
to the bathroom? Oh, Christmas lights.
Wait, how'd we
this
miss
is so
that?
cool. Somebody had them on at some point in time.
Yeah, they had headphones on too.
Yeah, look at that.
Red, white, and blue lights.
That's nice.
Yeah, that's red, white, and
There's
blue.
so
That's
much good
awesome.
stuff in here. I would keep those if I were allowed to, but I'm
Yeah.
not taking nothing. Because they see us walking out of here with stuff and we're screwed.
Yeah, we don't do that.
As much as I like Christmas lights, especially the old bulbs.
Mm-hmm.
Where the heck does this go?
Is that a bowling ball?
Yeah. I don't think we can get out. Yeah, we already did that site otherwise.
Yes, we did.
Alright. This is the end of ours. Explore this old abandoned high school. Power, water, and basically in mint condition. Most of it's just natural decay and everything.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, till we catch you in the next spot. Remember, subscribe, like, share. Catch us on our Abandoned Explorers and Reaction on Fridays.
Thank you, everybody, for your support. Continue to watch.
Alright, have a nice week.
See you guys later.